Today, we have a big infrastructure update for you, and trust me, a lot has changed. From the Kenyatta Avenue Ngong Road viaduct to the Talanta Sports Stadium to the fast-moving Ngong Road Flyover near Junction Mall, we are seeing major progress that will completely transform Nairobi's traffic flow and skyline. And here is the exciting part. Each of these projects is now entering a phase where visible progress is happening fast. So if you want to see exactly what's new, what's changing, what's coming next, make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright, let's jump right in. Kenyatta Avenue. Well, we have got a great update on the Kenyatta Avenue Ngong Road ongoing construction works. As you approach the site from the Kenyatta Avenue site, close to Serena, we can see that the core or the background works of the overpass structure are really coming together. Some concrete piers, which are at times referred to as columns, are visible after a long period of drilling. These pillars are meant to firmly establish the support system of the elevated road. After the pillars are complete, a bent cap will likely be installed across the pillar, followed by precast girders and metal pans. The construction of the concrete columns represents a crucial phase in the superstructure's construction. The presence of heavy equipment and construction works confirms ongoing activity, indicating they are actively working on the phases, such as potentially casting the deck or working on the approaches. Overall, the progress since the initial foundation phases, which we showed you earlier on this channel, is significant and looks like they are pushing hard to get the main bridge structure completed within the stipulated timeline. Definitely exciting to see these projects coming along like this. Ngong Road. Right now, we are approaching from a side path, likely a temporary access point, and you can see the familiar blue corrugated metal fencing as signifies a construction zone. As we move forward, we get a much clearer view of the bridge under construction from the Haile Selassie Avenue side headed towards Ngong Road. The old pillars are still in place and there is not much progress on bridge decking. There are also some earthwork happening on the ground level, likely preparing for approach ramps or further foundational work. The area around construction site is likely busy. It's interesting to see this type of infrastructure development taking place, and it will likely have a significant impact on the local transportation network once completed. Talanta Stadium. We are here again to check out the latest progress on this incredible stadium build. Talanta Sports Stadium being built along Ngong Road. The construction is moving along so well. Just look at this distinctive white lattice exterior frame. It's almost completely wrapped around the stadium now, giving it a really unique look. You can see that the main roof structure is largely in place, and while some cranes are still visible, it looks like a lot of the heavy lifting is largely being completed. The facade behind the frame is starting to be filled in as well. Things are really coming together on this project. Ngong Road Flyover. So this is the Ngong Road Flyover being constructed near the Junction Mall. You'll notice the heavy machinery in the background. Looks like two tall cranes, essential for lifting heavy materials. The construction of this site is moving quicker than anticipated, and there are reports that this could be completed before the slotted deadline of 2027. A lot of the green iron sheets had been removed section by section. You can get to see the structure of the flyover. So vehicles coming from town, those from Karen, Ngong, headed to town have no business around this area while passing right up there on the elevated road, reducing congestion on this current road below. Since the construction began, there have been a lot of traffic snarl-ups in this area, but that is set to end as soon as this flyover is complete. This design is similar to the Chimney flyover, one along Kenyatta Road, which since upon completion has made traffic in the area to flow much smoothly. So, the last time we were here, the beams were being assembled on the side, but we can see now that they have started erecting them, giving us an idea of how this road will look like when complete. You can see right ahead that some of the concrete pillars are now holding the beams in place. Once the placement of beams is completed, we will likely see the construction move from the substructure to the superstructure and finishing works. But the immediate next major step we are likely to see is the construction of the deck slab, which forms the actual floor of the road. After the deck slab, we will see the construction of crash barriers, road surface, and finishing works like drainage, which are important in guaranteeing the longevity of the road. Thank you so much for watching. To our regular viewers, I truly appreciate your support and the way you keep coming back to watch these updates every week. You're the reason we keep documenting this massive project across Nairobi. If you're new here and enjoy details, boots on the ground construction updates like this, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our weekly progress reports. And don't click away yet. Keep watching to see the full visuals of all the progress we captured on the ground. You'll get a much clearer picture of just how fast these projects are moving.